So I'm off to Norway in a couple of days, so I thought I'd make a very quick video showing you exactly what kit I'm initially taking out with me. I'm getting issued more kit upon my arrival, so this is going to be a very quick once over, nothing fancy, straight to the point. Selection of socks here. These are a standard British issue for Arctic climates. These ones I got issued by the Norwegians on a course I did many years ago. Standard headwear, gloves, boot polish, saw, blade, ferro rod, silver compass, headgear, selection of boxer shorts, belt, and in this black sort of container I got a selection of consumables. Too much to go through, I'll bore you to death. Survival tin. Here is classed as a base layer, Norwegian base layer. I got given this by them many moons ago. It's like a netted sort of top, wicks away the sweat. Really, really brilliant bit of kit. I've used it for many times. It hasn't really failed me yet, so awesome. Some more warmers tops. Standard issue jacket. You got here the trousers of the Corinthia Gore-Tex trousers, and its counterpart, the jacket. For extreme cold weather, the G-Loft Corinthia trousers, along with the Corinthia 2.2 jacket. Standard issue PCS, British military uniform. Sleeping bag, bivy bag, jersey wool heavy. I put my shelter sheet in a bigger bag. Can't stand it, the issued ones are too small. Once you take it out, it's a pain in the backside to put back in. Spare set of paracord and towel. Standard Bergen, issue Bergen, boots, webbing, and ignore the pillows, but good old standard canoe bags. So this is what my civvy bag will look like. The contents, starting off with hold all, micro towel, 2 sets of toothbrush, 2 sets of toothpaste, deodorant, face wash, nail kit, wardrobe notebook, soap, lip balm. My wife normally always gives me one of these, makes the room I stay in smell a bit better if it smells absolutely rank. Shorts for training in, boxer shorts, spare watch, head torch, shades, chargers, and they normally all live in my sort of charging bag from all my wirings, etc. Phone tripod, camera gear, camera bag, my Gore-Tex jacket, my warmers jacket, selection of t-shirts, my sort of mid layers. Here is kind of a Gucci bit of kit. Has an internal sort of heating system inside the jacket. So yeah, I'm gonna definitely be enjoying this out there. Trousers, polo tops, set of boots, flip-flops, and a set of indoor wear for lounging in. Socks, hat, some long johns, merino base layer, good old locks, and last but not least, trusty old face mask. The world's gone nuts, right? Catch you guys later.